Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to enable and disable your function keys. So function keys, I'm talking about the FN key here that will always ask you to. If you want to go to use these function keys, you have to click that FN key. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to enable and disable the function keys on your HP laptop. In my case, you have the 250 G8 i5, and this is the 11th generation. Sorry about that, I was too slow when it was booting. You have to make sure you're quick to press the BIOS key. So I'm powering it on, then I'll click the F10 to go to the BIOS system. So when you go to the BIOS system, this is what you get. So you can click escape to remove this. Sorry about that. So you're going to go to configurations, and in configuration you will see action key mode, which is disabled here. So I want you to enable it, and here they will tell you disabled requires pressing the FN plus the F1 key to activate them. So if I say enable, as you can see, this will work. In some cases this will be vice versa. When you enable it, to be enabling them. But this is just a quick video on how to enable the hotkeys. So to save changes, we're going to click F10 and enter. Then the computer will reboot. And in my case here, I'm going to stop from here. I'm going to just shut it down. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon in order to get notified if I upload this video like this. Have a nice time. Goodbye.